Good evening. A young driver is accused of causing a high-speed crash that's left a Parkdale father clinging to life in hospital. Police allege Chris Ewell had too many passengers on board when he sped through a red light in Springvale. Court reporter Eliza Rugg.
Mark Ryan was on his way to work last week, but he never made it because his car was hit by a speeding vehicle, allegedly being driven by Chris Ewell. The Cranbourne man is accused of causing the crash at the Springvale intersection by running a red light, with 5 passengers packed into a car that was only built to hold 4. The Volkswagen sedan collided with a vehicle being driven by Mark Ryan, a 44-year-old father from Parkdale, known as a popular sportsman with the nickname Dutchie. Ewell and his passengers were also taken to hospital. The 20-year-old is facing 13 charges, including dangerous driving, causing serious injury and putting the public at risk, speeding, failing to obey traffic signals and not ensuring his passengers were wearing seatbelts. He was also allegedly driving an unregistered vehicle and wasn't displaying his P plates. Do you have anything to say about the driver? Police allege that on the day of the crash, Ewell gave investigators a false name. Today, he faced court wearing a neck brace. Yesterday, he had surgery on his lower back. His lawyer says that he needs urgent medical attention for pain relief while he's in custody. Ewell will face court again on May 27. Meanwhile, his alleged victim remains in a critical but stable condition at the Alfred Hospital. Eliza Rugg, 9 News.
There are new details on the crash that left an innocent father in a critical condition, with a driver accused of speeding and running a red light. The 20-year-old now faces more than a dozen charges over the crash.
Unregistered, no P plates, and then Chris Ewell gave a fake name to police. But today, the 20-year-old stood in court sporting a neck brace and had to accept that he is the person accused of causing the horrific Springvale crash. Police believe he'd piled 5 friends into a car and ran a red light. He T-boned a 44-year-old man's car. The father of 2 was rushed to hospital, where he remains. Ewell's friends, aged between 16 and 21, were also injured, and it's believed not all of them were wearing seatbelts. Ewell was supported by his family in court, where police requested extra time before his next hearing so they could analyse phones found at the scene.
Is there anything you can say about what happened that night? Or about your son at all?
It's believed security vision, which captures the crash, will also form part of the evidence against him. Among the 13 charges, Ewell has been slapped with engaging in reckless conduct, driving in a dangerous manner and causing serious injury.
Ewell's lawyer asked that he be given medication in jail as he had back surgery yesterday after being injured in the crash. She also asked the magistrate to note that this was his first time in custody.
Ewell returns to court in May. Chanel Vella, 7 News.